Welcome back. In this video, we will focus on setting up multi-factor authentication (MFA) for your online account. MFA adds an extra layer of security to your account. It requires 2 or more verification method to gain access account. Discuss various steps MFA like SMS codes, email verification, or authentication app or a biometric verification. But CRA account has 3 steps. One is telephone, second is through passcode grid, and third one is the authentication app. So it's depend on you which method you want to keep and use. So how to change your MFA? So basically, once you log in into your CRA account, just go over here and click on profile and just go down, and you will see at the last there is a multi-factor authentication setting. Just click on continue and you will see there is a 3 method: telephone, passcode grid, or authentication app. If you already set up with the passcode grid, just click on that and you can delete or view what is that, and you can just change according to that. If you want to keep your telephone, basically whenever you try to log in into your CRA account, you will just get a one text message through the OTP, and you can just type that message and you can log in into your account. If you go to the telephone, you can see like right now I have my number, which is I can delete or I can add one phone number more, so it's up to you, and just click on done. It will save your changes. If you go back, if you want to release your passcode grid, you can just keep, in this case you have to keep this passcode grid whenever you will be logging into your account. Go back. If you want to keep authentication app, you can just click on it and just download from this QR code. Once you download, you can set up in your phone, and whenever you try to log in, it will be very easy to log in into your account. I think that's all will be for today. So with MFA setup, your account are much safer and more unauthorized access. Remember, security is paramount in the digital world. For more tech safety tips, subscribe to our channel.